Oh, okay. Whew, it's about 8:11 right now. Just woke up. So one thing that I usually like to do when I first wake up is just to check on my phone here. See what's happening. And now it's 8:11. Yeah. I usually do this for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then figure out if I should go back to sleep or not. So yeah. Yeah, one of the first things that I like to do every morning when I wake up these days is just to fire up Animal Crossing here and just go around for like 10-15 minutes and look for some stuff, talk to some neighbors, and then yeah, wiggle some trees, get some coins, get some points. Yeah. So I'm done playing my Switch Animal Crossing here. I'm gonna take a shower right now, go clean up, and I'll figure out what to do next. Yeah, let's go take a shower. I'll leave this here on the table. Alright, I'm back. Let me get some light. Put on the desk.
Sure, turning on desk.
Alright, let me get some proper lighting here. Okay, this is much better. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Dickwin. Welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be me going through my day on a weekend. So today's Saturday, and I'll be bringing this camera along with me wherever or whatever I'm doing today. So this video is not scripted at all, so I'm just gonna be carrying the camera, whatever I feel like doing. I'm just gonna be talking to the camera and saying that what I'm doing. I've always been very fond of watching day in the life videos from people on YouTube, and I haven't done one myself, so I thought like, I don't really know what I do on a weekend, especially right now in the quarantine. I usually just do random things and like, yeah, so I decided today I'm gonna bring the camera along with whatever I'm doing. So we'll see how it goes. I don't know how or where this video is gonna pan out, what I'm gonna do. I do have some plans of doing. I'm gonna cook something tonight, and I'm gonna write some code, but other than that, I don't really know what's gonna happen. But for that, I just hope the clip you saw, I think about a minute ago, like some time ago, was like, I hope that went well. I was like, I just woke up, literally that was after I woke up. I picked up the camera, had a fake sleep, and wake up again, and yeah, I didn't really see how the camera was focusing and how the angles were. So I'm not too sure how that worked out. But yeah, I think the first thing I want to do is really to put my bed sheet here. I have this, I washed this cover late yesterday night, and I was too tired also doing something, and then I ended up just sleeping without doing it. I felt tired, so I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna fill it in, and yeah, these are always fun to put in. Yeah, so let me do that first. Alright, that is done there, so that didn't take too long, but yeah. So done with that. What I usually do when I first start in the morning is that I don't eat breakfast usually, I just have brunch. How it ends up being is that I always drink a lot of water in the morning, and that helps out. So yeah, I don't really feel much hungry in the morning. I'm kind of used to it. But now I'm going to be I'm gonna use my computer, check some emails, check some work, write some code. Currently I'm undergoing a personal project. I'm updating my portfolio. This has been ongoing for a few weeks now. I'm trying to finalize, fix some UI issues that I have there, and do some testing on that. So yeah, I'll be working on that for the next few hours. I'll be, yeah. Usually in the morning I like to listen to some podcasts or some audiobooks. And yeah, I think so I'll listen to some music this morning first to ramp up my, code writing. But yeah, that's the plan for now. Done with coding, done with like some personal stuff and like checking emails, checking social media and all these things. And right now I'm gonna install this dbrand skin here. It's not something I do every week. It just so happens that I got this in the mail yesterday, and I'm gonna install it right now. This is one of their teardown skins. This is for the Nintendo Switch. So it has the internals of the Switch here. I'm gonna go ahead and install that in the back of my Switch here. So it's gonna look like that. So I'm done installing it. That was a pretty straightforward install here. So this is how it looks like. Put some B-roll shots of how the skin actually looks like close up. But yeah, I actually have both the Joy-Con skins for the teardown skin for the Switch. I'm not gonna install it right now. I still prefer the blue and red accent of the Joy-Cons here right now. But back here, I do have the glossy one here. So this is the normal. It's not the matte one, so it stands out more. I also got a second skin here. It's my phone. I'm gonna swap out. I'm gonna put this here on my dbrand grip case here. So yeah, I do love the red dragon, but yeah, I do miss carbon fiber, red carbon fiber one here. I'll show you collection here. I do have I used to use this on the S7 here. This is the red carbon fiber here. Then I absolutely love this skin. This is on my Note 8 here. So this is the limited edition robot skin. Yeah, the reason why I didn't get the teardown version of for the S10 Plus was because I didn't really like it. I didn't really like the teardown look. So I opted with this, just the red carbon. We're going to install this. Should be pretty simple. So this is how it looks like without any kind of thing. It looks kind of bare. That's the grip branding here. And there you go. Pretty simple. Yeah. I do like the texture of the carbon fiber. It does have this like, you hear that sound? And that sound. You can't really have that. This one does have texture, but it's more like a scratchy kind of thing. This one's more like a zigzag kind of sound. Getting hungry. We get some food. Gonna cook some food. So let's see what's in the kitchen. I don't know what to cook. I have some leftovers from yesterday, so I'll try to see what I can cook. Leftover from yesterday's takeout. I'm gonna cook some pasta. I'm going to show you a favorite recipe of mine. Like, this is a simple pasta recipe, just that I'm replacing pasta sauce with some peanut butter and spicy sambal. So I got a pasta boiling in the back, so I'm going to do is make the sauce. So it's basically very simple. I have some peanut butter here. I'm going to put about 2 heaping tablespoons of that. About half a tablespoon of soy sauce. And about a tablespoon of this sambal oil. I know it might sound a little weird, but like this thing combines something that I really like. I really like peanut butter, and this sauce combines that. So, a tablespoon. Doesn't look too amazing, but once I mix it with a bit of the liquid from the pasta sauce, pasta liquid, to make it more malleable. So the pasta is now cooked, so I'm just gonna put it in. Added some spinach. Make sure to add some of the pasta water. So that's it. I added a tablespoon of peanut butter extra. So because I think I diluted a little bit too much of water of the pasta water inside. So I added it. Right now it looks creamy. It's supposed to look like that. Nice and creamy, nice and velvety. Yeah. Let's give it a taste here. Ooh. So I just woke up from a nap. I just took a nap from 2 p.m. to right now it's about 4:30. Yeah, it's like I usually have an afternoon nap during weekends just to supplement my sleep at night. I usually sleep for about 6 hours at night, and I use the afternoon nap to supplement, so I get the 8 hours there. Yeah, now I'm gonna continue using the computer, writing some code, cooking some web, watching YouTube videos, and yeah. I'll be cooking dinner in the next 2 to 3 hours, maybe like 7 p.m. So I just came back from outside. I went out for a bit. Just after I took that bit just now, I started using the computer. I remember that I had a UPS package. No, it's not a UPS package. The Amazon returned the return. So I checked out the UPS store, closed at 5, so I had about like 20 minutes at that point. And while I was out, I just thought might as well. I got myself some boba tea here, the Kung-Fu tea. Was on the way. I just ordered through the app and just picked it up. Had minimal contact, wore mask, for some gloves there. That's pretty quick right now, so I'm gonna continue using the computer. I'm gonna cook some dinner. The sun is down, so let's get some dinner. I'm not sure. I'm gonna cook some rotisserie chicken in the Instant Pot. So I'm turn on some lights here. So I have this rotisserie chicken. I bought this last week. So I'm gonna cook it in an Instant Pot. So this is about 4 pounds of chicken here. According to my chart here, I have this chart here. So it's 6 minutes a pound for chicken. So it's about 24 minutes pressure cooking. I'm gonna get this out, give it some seasoning. So the spice rub, I'm gonna put about this is the spice rub. Add it a little bit dry here because I'm going to be browning it a little in the Instant Pot, so to get some flavors in. Alright, so the Instant Pot is now hot, so I'm gonna put in some oil. It's hot. As you can see, I got it browned pretty nice overall. So I'm gonna leave it to the side. And I'm gonna deglaze it with some beef broth here. Just put a cup there. I'm gonna scrape the bottom bits. All the nice fond. So these are all flavor bits. I'm gonna put in the trivet. Put some 2 onions here in the bottom to give it some extra flavor. And in the cavity of the chicken, I placed like lemon. It's like half it up. Just gonna put the chicken in, face down like that. Close it, put it on the ceiling here. And I'm just gonna pressure cook it for about 27 minutes. So while that's cooking in the background, cook some rice. I'm gonna make some veggies, roasted cauliflower in the oven. So I'm gonna clean up first and then prepare the cauliflower. So I have my sheet pan here, I'm just gonna put it on there. Put in some olive oil over top just to get some browning. Then I'm just gonna put it in the oven. Have it preheated to 450 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. So here's the chicken, did some natural release for about 10 minutes here. Ooh, looks super tender. So here it is, my dinner. I have some dark meat and white meat from the rotisserie chicken in the Instant Pot. Then I have some roasted cauliflower here, topped up with some rice here. So yeah, give it a taste. Nice roasty flavor. Some white meat here. Very juicy. So since eating dinner, I was watching some Netflix and Community here. So yeah, I was also writing code while at. So when I'm done with that, and I'm going to be playing some Animal Crossing on the TV. So I plugged my Switch there. So yeah, I'm gonna play for another hour or two, and then Yeah, probably head back to sleep after that. So I'm ending my day right now. It's later than usual. Usually I go to sleep by around like 1 a.m. But I was running into a debug issue with something deploying, so I was looking into that. If you made it this far in the video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. More of these kind of content probably in the future, maybe more day in the life kind of things or another situation. But yeah, that's this video. Hope that everyone's staying at home, staying safe, and then also, practice social distancing. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna go to sleep right now and restart the cycle of everything that I did today, probably tomorrow. Good night.